All right, Tom, I need you to explain winterization.
Okay.
I just don't know. I don't know what it means.
Winterization is in theory removing the fats, waxes, and lipids from your crude oil or your BHO and bringing it to a higher potency. So in theory, let's say this is, in theory numbers, let's say you have 1 gram of BHO and it's at 50% THC. The other 20% is probably fats, waxes, lipids. So then that's 70% total. Then you have 30% of solvents, terpenes, everything else. The idea of winterization is removing your fats, your waxes, and your lipids so it's no longer present. And then your oil, therefore, you have 70% THC, and the only other remaining elements are your solvents and your terpenes and everything. So the idea of winterization would be to take your crude oil, soak it in ethanol. You want to use 100 proof ethanol just because it'll dissolve everything better, so there's no particles. But once it's fully dissolved, you want to bring it to sub-zero temperatures, so all your fats and your waxes will coagulate together, and therefore you can then filter them out through a filter and then redistill it and retrieve your ethanol. And then vacuum purge it and have your winterized oil.
Your oil?
Yes.
What you're working with?
So this would be like a crude oil where it's just, BHO down to the last of it. And it's full of, the color is full of that and full of fats and waxes. And then this would be after it's winterized and then redistilled down.
Wow, so this is the starting product and this is the finished product?
Finished, yes.
Beautiful. Pure THC, highest testing.